What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Whoop 4.0. As you can see, I've got a brand new Whoop 4.0 right here. First thing you want to do is you open up the package like this, and it will actually come with a Whoop band, which just looks like a little wristband right here, a USB charger piece, and the actual charger to charge the band itself. So very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download the Whoop app itself, and you actually just want to create an account using your email and then create a password. And once you've done that, you just want to enable Bluetooth on your actual phone like I've done here. And to actually connect the band, it's actually going to come dead. It's going to be completely out of batteries when you get it. So how you charge it is you have this little piece right here, and this is the charging piece, or another USB-C cable. It doesn't have to be this one necessarily. And you just plug it into this right here. And as you can see, how we actually charge the watch is there is no actual charging port on this watch. So how you actually charge it is you just slip this piece on like right here, just like this, and it will actually clip onto your watch actually after you close it like this. This is just how you put it on your wrist, this little locking mechanism. So you put the Whoop watch on your wrist like this, and then you close it up like this. And how you charge it is this piece, you can actually never have to take this watch off. And you can just slip this piece on. There's a green light right there. Slip it on, and it will actually be charging on your wrist. As you can see, you never have to take off your watch, and you only have to take off the charging piece, and that's how you charge it. And once you've actually charged this piece, you can charge this separately from the watch for a few minutes. It takes about an hour and a half to charge the entire thing, so you need to wear this an hour and a half every week because it has a 7-day battery life. You can actually, your watch will have power, and you can connect it to the app just by going onto the app and selecting the Bluetooth options. It will guide you 100% all the way, and there's tutorials for every single thing that you need to know about this watch. Got mine a few days ago, and yeah, it's pretty easy to use. And basically it shows you all your sleep data, your fitness, your recovery, and pretty much everything about your health and every wellness aspect that you need to know about your body.